Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log in on Discord. So if you haven't downloaded Discord yet, you can go to discord.com and then on the main website, on the main page, you will find this download button, or you can go to download over here in order to find different versions. So for instance, over here you have for Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and for Windows at the top. However, if you don't want to download Discord, you can still use Discord from your browser. And over here you can click open Discord in your browser in order to proceed to the login page. After that, you have email or phone number. If you have connected your phone number to your account, then you can use your phone number in order to log in. And below that you can enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password text over here, and then you can proceed with the instructions being displayed on your screen. Alternatively, if you already have logged in to the Discord to your account on your phone, then you might be able to use the QR code on the right side. You might be able to scan it with your phone, and then you won't need to enter any details on the left side over here. Nevertheless, once you fill in your email or phone number and password, then you can press login button in order to complete the login process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.